Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional. And today I'm here again with a new video. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on the question. So the question today I got is, what is the ideal number of clicks before you make judgment or conclusions about your campaign? Say you started a campaign, it only still has less than 50 clicks. That is too early to formulate conclusions on performance. Basically, at what point do you say this click to conversion ratio bad? Okay, I can make this question a better question, like uh, what is the ideal time where number of clicks when you start seeing conversions? That can be a better word to further argument on. Okay, so when people say that when you say you started a campaign, it only still has less than 50 clicks. Okay, first of all, we need to figure out our audience we are targeting with each campaign. What some people do is create a too broad audience to target on, and then when they get a data that is a very irrelevant data, and then eventually they start losing up hope, and then they eventually say that Google ads or Facebook ads or Bing ads is not for them. So in PPC, what is the ideal number of clicks? If even for Facebook or even for Google or even for Bing ads, what we can define is, let's say we have to shortlist our data. For instance, if we are targeting New York as a city, we have to narrow down our audience so we can get a clear observations regarding their audience preference, like do they like our product or not. But in other scenario, let's say we have a highly optimized targeted campaign, and there is another scenario when when the campaign is not highly targeted. Both scenarios have a different results, and if your landing page is not optimized and if your landing page is optimized, both can have a huge impact on your conversions. So there are number of factors you need to look on before even saying this. So let's assume that we have a highly targeted campaign with a highly targeted and converting landing page. Okay, now here we are deciding on that after how many clicks we can determine. Okay, but now you may say that to make a campaign highly targeted, you need to figure out these things before optimization. So even to address those issues, I'm going to lay down a strategy on which you can rely on. Okay, for a campaign that is not too big, either on Google or either on Bing ads, I assume that if you still didn't get a sale after 100 clicks, I think we may need to move on. But in case if you got 100 clicks and one or two conversions, here we can see that there is a room on which we can optimize and generate more sale Okay, so that scenario is different. Again, there are some niches. For instance, if there is a very cheap niche or where the CPC is very low, you can go for 200 clicks as well, because for a new campaigns we also need to get data as well to optimize. But if data is not converting at all, it means that there is some problem either with our targeted traffic, or there is a problem with our landing page, or there is a problem with our offer. So there are these factors that you also may need to keep in mind before deciding this. So I assume that we can go with this data. So I hope it answers your question. And in case if you want Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO services, web development services, me and my team can help you. The details are in the description of this video. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any questions, do write in the comments box. Thank you and bye bye.